Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can optimize or clean your storage by some settings in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open security, click on cleaner. Here it is cleaning your cache file, obsolete file, packages, residuals and memory. It will clear your trash size. You can see this. Then you have to optimize your phone. It is checking the system security, clear cache and security. And it is done, you can see. Then press boost speed. It will enhance your experience of using your Redmi phone. Then you have to click on boost speed. It will close the third party apps running in the background, and you can see your device is 38% faster now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.